How to play Minecraft cross-platform. So first, make sure that you have your Minecraft open. So this is Minecraft Bedrock, and make sure that you're signed in. If you're not signed in, you will see a sign in button here on the left side. So as you can see, currently I'm signed in. Now once that's done, just simply click on play, then click on friends, click on add friend, and here you will see your gamer tag, and you could also search for the gamer tag of your friend. So you will need the gamer tag so that you could add them to your world. And you could also share your gamer tag just by clicking on copy gamer tag right here. So just ask your friend on what their gamer tag is, and once that's done, you could search for them, or you could simply click on the add button right here once you've searched for them. Now after that, you just simply need to go back and go to play again, go to worlds and click on create new. Now click on create new world again, then click on multiplayer, and as you can see, here are the player access. You could set it to invited players, friends, and friends of friends. I suggest that you set it to invited players, and you could just basically invite your friends that you've added earlier. Now once that's done, just leave all of these as is, or you could also turn off friendly fire if you want. But that's just basically it, and now you could just simply create the world right here. You could also join your friend's world, and to do that, you just simply need to go back. So I'm just gonna leave right here and just simply go to friends right here and wait for your friend to start their world. So if they started their world already, you just simply need to wait for them to pop up here on the list and just click on their world and just enter it. But that's basically it. You will need them to be your friend, or you will need to add them first before you could join their world, or before they could join your world. And that's how you basically play Minecraft cross-platform.